Angel from Unhinged Creative Plan, and today I'm going to be doing a spread in my Makselife for January 10th through the 16th. This is my Makselife Vertical layout, and these are my monthly goals. I've already accomplished quite a few of them. Some of them are like weekly things, so I haven't marked them off because I haven't done them for the month all the way. And some of them I just need to, like, they're one-time things, so I need to do them. But I already got started on this layout. I went ahead and put my headers across, and I was like, I'm supposed to be recording this, so I'm going to do the rest with you. So what I did is I did put the headers, which are large washi, across, and then they're large washi like this. They already have the days of the week on them, and then I put the dates, and then I took small washi in yellow and put underneath, and then I took my workout stickers and put on the days where I'm working out. And then I'm going to put in the rest of the stuff that I need to do that week. So these are the other sticker sheets that I have for this kit. This is Unicorn Floral Deco, or Unicorn Florals from Unhinged Creative Plan for the Makselife Vertical. And it has 4 sheets. Floral boxes 2, floral boxes 1, headers, and deco. And the deco comes with the habits tracker. I'll show you that up close. It has a place for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different habits. And of course, you check them off 7 days of the week. And then so let's get started. Let's see. So I did my workouts. Let's see. And I know what time I go to do those first thing in the morning. So that's why I put them at the top. So I don't need like a box to tell me when to go do those. So you have floral boxes, and then you have colored boxes, and you have a floral box if you want to put it here. You have small colored boxes that fit this area down here if you want, or they can be up here. And then you have just regular, like full boxes that would fit like a vertical spread in other planners, the typical size. So I know that I have a lunch meeting and a evening meeting on this day. So I'm going to put a couple of boxes. So I'm going to use this space down here to represent evening stuff outside of work. And so it's at 7 p.m. I have a tutor meeting. My mind just went blank. What is her name? Okay, it'll come to me later. Let's see. Then I have lunch, which I'll use pink. I'll use blue box. That in there. 12 p.m. lunch with Kenny and Kai, people I work with. Tuesday, I don't have a lot going on. Wednesday, I know that I have, in the evening, I have Bible study. So I will use a colored box. Oh, I put it on Tuesday. I should put it on Wednesday. Okay. And then, in the afternoon, Riker has therapy. And then Thursday, I don't think I have anything outside of work going on. Friday, I do. I have foundations, which is a big block of time. So I'm going to use a big block. Yeah. And I'm going to put it up here. Because it's from like 8:30 to 12. And Saturday I have, let's see, do I want to use a colored box? I have an afternoon. Yeah. An afternoon event. 4 p.m. I meetup group, which is open to anyone and free. We make planner friends all over the United States. So if you would like to make some planner friends and talk about your planner, you're more than welcome to join us. Just click the link in the description below and join the meetup group and hop on. It's at 4 p.m. Central on Saturday the 15th. It's always the third Saturday of the month, unless something weird comes up, but I always schedule them ahead of time. So if you join the meetup group, you'll know month advance, what week it's going to be. And then on Sunday, I serve at church. Let's put this up here. I should probably use a big box because, oh well, too late. 9. In nursery at church. Okay. So that's all my major appointments. What's right in my habits? Read, lettering. I do hand lettering practice every day. Devotional. Read aloud with Raker. I think that's it. Let's see, what else do I want to do? Then I can fill in with some deco. Let's see. And I could put some boxes just to give me a place to write things in. And be decorative. Put some of these down here in case we go out or do something like that. And I'll go ahead and put one over here so I can put notes in. Ah! No, don't stick. Yay, it came off. Good little sticker. Okay. Now, I really just don't like this here. It's too much floral next to that floral. Let's see, is there anywhere else I could use it? I could use it. Yeah, it's just too much. I'll use it on another spread. Let's see. It's probably fine for now until I have more going on. Then I can always add my check boxes for to-dos and stuff as I have things that come up. I'll just add some decoration, some unicorns, because, you know, we all need unicorns. I mean, who doesn't need unicorns? Nicole. Oh my gosh, my mind it just came to me. Oh my gosh, Nicole's house. Isn't that just weird? My mind just went blank when I was trying to think of where we're supposed to meet. That just came to me. That's just weird. Okay, so I'm going to put my little unicorn down, and I've got some little crystals here that look cute. Where should I put those? I'll put those over here. And some florals. And floral here. And that looks pretty good. And then, like I said, I'll just fill in as things come up throughout the week. and I have more to say or more tasks to take care of. I thank you for your time, spending time with me in my Makselife spread today. And let me see what other to-dos that I have that I didn't get done yet. My monthlies. I do need to write down track expenses. Take photos. What else do I have? Journaling. Cool. All right. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for spending time with me, and I hope you guys have a blessed week. Until next time, be blessed.